Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So this is live price prediction of XRP coin, my brother, and absolutely today I have two good news is for all XRP holder. The first good news, my brother, absolutely very important, and the second is also very important now. So you need, my brothers, to watch this video completely to understand better both, my friend. Good news is now. So my brother, first of all, I'm going to show you the update, and after that, my friend, I will give you a good news, and that's clear, my brother. So kindly let's start a brand video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, my brother. This is clear. The first of all, as you can see here, the coin will fail us down. So absolutely after a very long time, but not long time, 2 or 3 days, my friend, after 2 3 days the coin will starting fails down. But definitely, my friend, the main reason is especially short-term investors. When short-term investors, they are starting, my friend, selling, they cannot, they are stop holding. And absolutely, my brother, when they are invest for short time, so they will fails down. So kindly holders, you also don't do this, otherwise you will be also losing now. Invest for a long time in XRP one of the stable coins, so you need, my brothers, to invest for a long time. XRP will not good, my brother, for short time investor. Definitely that's good, my brother, for long term investor. All right, so hope you understand now. Let's see, my brothers, to what's going on this time in last 7 days. And last 7 days chart, as you can see, my brother, this the price is very badly falls down. And this time you can see, my brother, minus 1.07%, my friend. You can see here they are fail now, and the second inning, absolutely, my brother, as you can see here, this time XRP will pumps up definitely, my friend, after a mid of month, after a month. So we need, my brothers, to wait for the mid of month, and I hope I'm 100% sure to it. After a mid of month, this coin will moving upward, and absolutely all coin will start moving in upward direction. So we all need, my brothers, to hold. And absolutely, if we have any plan to invest more, so I think, my brother, these days are not good. So wait for a good time and invest now. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.